Hey everyone, this is Aprajita back again from ExcelChamps. In this video, we will learn about multiplying a given range with a specific number. For an example, here I have 4 customers with a fixed tariff rate. Now I want to increase this tariff by 20%. So instead of multiplying each cell with 1.2 or increasing it by 20%, I have a small trick. What I'll do is to give an increment of 20%, I will multiply my range with 1.2 in one shot. How we can do this? I will copy 1.2, select my range and press Ctrl Alt V, which is paste special from my keyboard, or simply I can go to paste. Here I have paste special and I will click on multiply. Now once I click on multiply, this range is multiplied by 1.2 and I'll press OK. Now you will notice that all the numbers are incremented by 20%. In the same way, you can also add, subtract, or divide your given range with one particular number in one shot. I hope you like this video and this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share.